And welcome back. You had an extended 3-day weekend. It was so refreshing to have the extra day off, although that means we actually lose a day during the week. So we have 4 days left as opposed to 5, which is no big deal. There is no science news extra credit because we're starting our new unit and there's some extra credit being offered. The last extra credit from the success criteria for this quarter. So we are in the 7th week of the semester, not the 6th week. And let's see what we've got in store for you. So some grading reminders. Remember, it's 3 days after the assignment is due that you can expect to see grades. If it's something that, like labs, do take any longer, so that can be up to 5 days. Late work is 7 days. Anything you turn in late will be 7 days. Just FYI. Okay, so typically you turn something in, I go in, I grade it, not the next day, but the day after. And if you turn in something after that point when I'm grading I cycle back through all of the work. So you have to understand that work isn't going to be graded instantaneously. For example, your Unit 3 exam will be graded by Wednesday. It was due Friday. I have till Thursday to get those graded because that would be those 3 days. And remember, that's 3 business working days, days we have school. Weekends do not count. Although I may go in and I may do stuff on the weekend, I may grade on the weekend, but you can't expect for that to be included in there. Just like many of you don't do anything for school on the weekend. So quarter 3 ends March 13th. That's our cutoff, is March 13th. So you want to make sure first all your quizzes are not just completed but graded and you've done your 2 chances for it. You want to make sure that your labs are done, completed. We had 2 labs, not TOE labs, but we did have 2 labs the quarter that were the discussion post labs 50 points. So that's 100 points towards your grade. If you are not done or if you never went and did your peer post, I do advise that you do that. If you scored low, read on that rubric what you're missing, go update it, and then email me and let me know you update it so you can get maximum points. Make sure all your gizmos are done. Those were 30 to 40 points with those problem sets. Make sure all your problem sets are done. Those were worth 20. So all extra credit, remember science news is factored into the semester and it's not going to show up until the end, just FYI. Success criteria is the other extra credit that should be showing up now because it's factored into the quarter. Okay? Because you always got to be leery of extra credit. Extra credit should be if you already have earned, your maximum points and you're having something extra. Okay, here is our plan for the week of April. I'm on my way in April. I fast forward myself. I'm ready for school to be done. February 18th through the 20th. So obviously Monday there's no school. Tuesday there's blended day. If you email me, I most likely will not get to until Wednesday because I've got all the emails from Friday and over the weekend and the ones that come in on Monday to do that. Now, I don't think I canceled my classes for Monday, but I did have I had an internet outage on Friday, so I didn't get back on the internet really until Monday, and I saw there were some emails for that. So apologize for that, but there was no school, so I'm not sure why you would go into a Class Connect if you know that it was no school day. Wednesday, we're going to do an overview of the new unit and the pretest, so you want to make sure that you attend so you can see all the lovely stuff that we're going to cover. So it's like a preview to your assignment, so that way, hey, look, these are all the things that we're doing for this unit ahead of time. And then on Thursday, we're going to look at the success criteria, so you know exactly where your learning should be. Only doing the success criteria activity during the first session of the day. The second session is for the retest. So some of you may be going to both sessions for that day. I'm going to do invites for required, but not until Wednesday because I've got to get those other ones graded first. And then you'll see it as required. For Thursday, everybody else would be optional for Thursday afternoon. And that's to cover anybody who did not pass and you need to come in and retake it. And then on Friday, I'm going to do the introduction to our literacy essay. That's what we're going to be doing the following week as well. And that's all I've got. Here's how you contact me. If you need me, you guys are very well at finding me out. So let's make this another great week. Yay, bye.